Good morning. My name is Jovial and I am here to give a seminar on the topic current electricity. So what is electricity? Electricity is a flow of electrons or a charge. It is a secondary energy source, which means that we can get it from conversion of another sources of energy like coal, natural gas, oil, nuclear power, etc. So these are called the primary sources. Direct current and its sources. Direct current is a current of constant magnitude flowing in one direction. The cell is the main source of direct current, which lights up the lamp with a constant flow of electrons, as we can see here in the diagram. The direct current is of the constant magnitude, whereas the another are variable. So cell and its types. A cell is a chief source of direct electricity. It can in which the chemical energy is changed into electrical energy when current is passed through it. There are majorly two types of cells, primary and secondary. A primary cell is a battery that is designed to use once and then it is discarded. It cannot be recharged. These are cheap and very light in weight, whereas the secondary cells, these are very heavy and costly, and these are rechargeable. That means that when chemical energy is changed into electrical energy, then by with the help of electricity we can again change that electrical energy into chemical energy and reuse it. Here is the structure of a cell. There are majorly two types, two electrodes placed at some distance, as we can see here. There are two electrodes, one behind, and these are immersed in an electrolyte. Above there is the positive terminal and below is the negative terminal. Electric current and its formula. An electric current is the flow of electric charge in a current. More specifically, the electric current is the rate of charge flow past a given point in an electric circuit. The charge can be negatively charged electrons or the positively charged carriers, including protons, positive ion on the whole. Current is usually denoted by symbol I. As far as Ohm's law is concerned, the formula is that V is equal to IR, and we can also say that I is equal to V upon R. So it is a scalar quantity. If n number of electrons pass through the cross section of conductor in a time t, then the total charge passes, like Q is equal to n multiplied by E. N is the number of electrons. The current in the conductor is I is equal to Q by T, that is N multiplied by E upon T. While the current is flown in the electrolyte, the current flows due to the movement of both positive and negatively charged ions. So the charge on an electron is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. So the direction of the current, we know that in the cell, the direction of current is positive to negative, whereas when it is flown in a circuit, it flows from negatively charged body to a positively charged body. The unit of current is ampere, where 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. Coulomb is coulomb, and upon per second, like 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second. In general, charge Q is determined by steady current flowing for time t, as Q is equal to I into T. Electric circuit. An electric circuit is a path in which electrons from voltage or current source flow. The point where these electrons enter the electric circuit is called the source of the electrons, whereas the point where they leave the electric circuit is called the return or the earth point. Symbol used in an electric circuit. We use many pictorial symbols while making an electric circuit. Like we use this symbol for the cell, for the battery. Similarly, for the switch, for the closed switch, this was for the open and this was for the closed. The wire joint, the wire closing without joints, electric bulb, resistor, rheostat, ammeter, and voltmeter. There are some main devices used in an electric circuit. Those are rheostat, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. Rheostat is used to change the resistance of the circuit at any point, and ammeter is used to see the magnitude. Voltmeter is used to check about the voltage, and galvanometer is used to see the weak charge in a circuit. So that's all about the major things in an electric current electricity. Thanks for watching.